This alif is called Hamza. So say after me. Hamza zabar a. Ba zabar ba. Now join the sound of a and ba. It will be aba. Aba. Dal double zabardan. All together will be abadan. If we stop here, we will say abada.